future is here. 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changing year for technology. From AI-powered inventions to mind-blowing medical breakthroughs, let's explore the most groundbreaking technologies that will redefine the way we live, work, and innovate. So stay tuned till the end of this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video what you feel about futuristic tech and AI breakthrough. AI-generated humans are becoming indistinguishable from real people. With advancements in deep learning, AI avatars can now mimic human emotions, speech patterns, and even creativity. Imagine virtual assistants that look and sound just like a real person, or AI-driven influencers who never sleep. The lines between digital and reality are blurring faster than ever. These are game-changing techs that's going to impact in all areas of productivity and pace the way for the future.
Quantum computing is no longer science fiction, it's here. In 2025, companies like Google, IBM, and startups are pushing quantum processors to new limits, solving problems that were impossible for traditional computers. From cracking complex encryption to accelerating drug discovery, quantum computing is reshaping industries at an unimaginable scale, and there's absolutely no limitations to the achievement of quantum revolution. Imagine controlling devices with just your thoughts. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are making this a reality. In 2025, advancements in neural implants are allowing people to communicate with computers using their minds. This technology is not just for sci-fi movies anymore. It's helping paralyzed patients regain mobility and opening the door to a future where humans and machines merge like never before.
Need a new kidney? In 2025, you might just be able to print one. Scientists have made breakthroughs in bioprinting, creating fully functional 3D printed organs using real human cells. This revolutionary technology could end organ transplant shortages forever and change the future of medicine as we know it. Flying cars are finally taking off, literally. In 2025, companies like Joby Aviation and Hyundai are testing eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft for urban travel. At the same time, EV technology is evolving with companies like Tesla leading the way, and the new ultra-fast charging, solid-state batteries, and self-driving capabilities making electric vehicles smarter and more efficient than ever. Your home is getting smarter. AI-powered smart homes are evolving to understand and anticipate our needs, turning the productivity to another level. In 2025, homes will adjust lighting, temperature, and security based on your habits. Your fridge will order groceries when you're running low, and AI butlers will manage everything from schedules to home security, making life easier than ever. We're heading back to the moon. 2025 is a big year for space exploration, with NASA's Artemis program sending astronauts back to the lunar surface. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also working on missions to Mars and beyond the limits of mankind, so it's going to be a boom altogether for space exploration. The dream of colonizing space is becoming a reality. The future is arriving faster than ever. Which of these groundbreaking technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech updates. See you in the future.